Welcome back guys to the Tech Tricks. We will learn how to join two videos or more than one using Movavi Video Editor. It's a paid application. At the end of the video, I will tell you the coupon code which you can use it to buy in a less price. So let's first open the application. I already have this application ready, and let's see how we can add the files and then how we can join the video and export it. So let's first search the file. Now here we have the file, as I can use this start file, and then using that this is start file, let's play this video here, and then this file actually you can play and you can see. So we'll drag this file first, and then using this file I will add on one more file. Here is my another file and I'll drag it here. Now we have it here, you can put it up according to that, you can simply. So this is a very basic example. According to that, you can simply do that. Okay. Now, if we come back here and we just start playing it, you can simply see that the video one is already moving on, and the same with the video. Now we can also add the transition here. So we can just simply go to the transition section and we can put it as a transition. You can also increase the length. I can increase the length and width up also, so I can make it like this. You can just simply drag it, because the transition, if you add on, it will be quite very good, and then it will make the application to look very nice. So as you can see, the transition makes it. You can add on and you can change anything. Now we can simply click on the export, and once we export, it is an option of the new project. You can choose what is the export format, MP4, MPEG, and whatever the format. There's a lot of format. You can also export it with the help of all these formats available. You can also use the resolution for what resolution you want to use it. It has an advanced option also, so you can change the maximum resolution, and also there's a frame rate, you can change it. Bit rate, you can change it. Audio, stereo, mono, whatever the format you want to choose it, you can simply change that. And after that, once you are done, once you click on the start, the video will export it, and it will be showing you that respective video in a single video. So now let's see how we can purchase the Movavi in a less price. So guys, here is the Movavi website. From that you can just simply purchase it. You can just simply click on buy now, and here are different, so it is showing then different rates. So I go to this option, the heaviest one, video suite plus photo editor. 1 year, if you take it, is 264, and you can show it will show you according to your country, wherever the country you are opening it. You can click on the lifetime, then it is a bit costly. So it has a video editor, video converter, and screen recorder. Photo editor, these are the things available here. I click on buy now, and I can have this option of Movavi FX. If you want to have, you can have the insurance service. This helps you to download the insurance service. You're able to re-download the installation several times. Sometimes you format the system and everything. Here you can put all the details. If you have a discount coupon, I have this discount coupon, you can see it here. If you add on this discount coupon, I cut it and I will put it again. And then as you can see here, without discount coupon is 419, but with discount coupon is 2193. So as you can see, 293 is only the price for this one. And you can also add on more things according to this. So these are the payment details. You can use this PayPal and provide the email and everything. And once you provide all these things, you can simply purchase this application. Once you purchase this application, you will have this kind of view available here, and you will have video editor, video converter, and screen recorder available here. You will log in and automatically the license will be. You don't need to put the multiple or manually the license key. And this is a platform independent license key. You can simply use it on Mac system, on the Windows system as well. So all the programs are there. You can see all the programs. So trial versions are also available here, but installed, whatever is installed, you can just simply use it, record sound, watch video. These are the versions. So it will give you some updates also in the future, and these are the programs available here. So for the video, whatever is not in your bundle, they will not provide you the real version, but others are. But for using, you have to open the video suite, and then you go to the video editor and then click on launch from here, and you can simply use it. I'm using currently the Movavi screen recorder. It has a noise cancellation feature as well. So that's all in this video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. For more videos, I will be coming up with a different topics about this technology, computers, and so many other things. So see you guys in the next video.